Here we are, Blue Marble Riders. First leg of our southern BC to Alberta trip. Parking up on the ferry to get off the rock. That's her done. Coming into Horseshoe Bay. About a 4-hour ride today. Heading to Hedley, BC along the Crowsnest Pass number 3. Looking forward to it. We are leaving Hope. I know that sounds strange. What it really means is we're leaving a town called Hope. So we spent this morning caning it along Highway 1. The traffic seems to be at Grand Prix speeds around 140 clicks an hour. So to the Crowsnest number 3 is what we want. Getting off the number 1, which goes all the way to the east coast of Canada from British Columbia. And I'm not sad to see it go. Here we are on the Crowsnest. And already the traffic's much thinner, which I like. Perfect. Got a new tire monitor for the bike down here. You take a look at it. Right now telling me the front is 39 and the rear is 47. So this is a highway that follows the southern border of Canada, or British Columbia, the part that we're in. Right now we're at the very beginning of the highway, and there are several hundred, if not 1,000 kilometers of it. So the scenery will be mountainous, then deserty, then mountainous again. Tonight we'll stay in the Similkameen Valley, known for wine and fruit growing. I'm looking forward to it. As you can see, it's very gusty, but the bike handles it so well. If I had my old Madstad shield on my 650, which was like a sail, I would have felt it. It would have twitched the handlebars, but this thing's really nice. Massive gust from the left right now, and no problem for the bike. Felt like I was going to fly off, but the bike just wanted to carry on. There's an anti-slide barrier there. You can see this road is famous for landslides, and they've got a slide barrier there to stop all that coming down. Take a look at the side of the mountain. That all came down here. See the waves of rubble? That all crossed this entire highway here. The whole side of the mountain gave way. Hope slide viewpoint. There you go. There it is. Nice to get away from a car. It's not often you get to see a wheelbarrow going that fast. We're on a nice curvaceous road now, still the Crowsnest. It's gone into one lane. Beautiful meadows and rivers. We're just in Manning Park right now, just crossed the border. Hell of a wind. Quite common down here. This road has turned very curvaceous. Some lovely turns in it. And back to single lane, but unfortunately behind some cars. So I'll obey the signs for a bit till I get the feel. Beautiful. A bit of a drop off there. It's good exercise for my wife's thighs when I say that. She gets all tense. You can feel her tensing her thighs up whenever I say, there's a drop off right there. Oh yeah. Damn barriers, they just spoil the view. Wow, that's something else. Well, we just passed some beautiful curves. Wow, some awesome curves, and it was all single lane. Uphill curves, so I love having a talkie bike to do all the overtaking you can do when everyone else is bogged down. The wind is impressive up here as well as the roads. Woo! That was a big one. I just got a massive blast in the side of the head. The bike, it's no problem, but my helmet seems to catch it. Nice. So there's a road just south of the border to the states there in Washington State that runs from Cedro-Woolley to Winthrop. And you go over the Diablo Lake Pass, and there are signs there about the wind. There are no signs here about it, but it's exactly the same. The two roads can't be more than 40, 50 miles apart, running exactly the same way through the Cascade Mountains. There are a mountain or two south of us. It's funny how the wind has changed. We're actually into a headwind now. We did have a tailwind before. 1342 meters, whatever that is. That's the elevation summit. See the highway going all the way up there. Amazing. Oh, these GPSs, they're never accurate. But look at that. It says we're doing 120, not a chance. Speedo says 6. Love these jeans. When a fly hits you in the kneecap, you barely feel it. Just the tiniest tap. Even at 6. Ooh, don't want to go in that. Something big and bloody died there. What a great road this is. Now the Vistrom. Certainly this section. So always on the first day of a trip you do battle with your seat, and I've done battle with mine. It's tenderizing my ass, and my ass is tenderizing the seat, and after 3 or 4 days the two shall meet. But today the seat's winning, and I've stopped twice just to get some feeling back into it. Interested in everybody's suggestions on seat coverings. What do you use to maintain blood and anti-numb bum? Look at that! Wow, what is that? That is some sort of, what is that? It's a dam? It's a dam. I've got to stop for this guy now. Dam. Definitely a dam. A big dam. Double dam. Princeton, I see a drink stop. Oh my God, we're faster than a speeding bullet. Look at this. Oh, love it. Probably time to pass this guy. Wow. Whoa, look at that. Very, very nice. A few waivers there. These two, yeah, there you go. Okay, so we just left Princeton, got a couple of drinks and something a little naughty for later. 2 campgrounds in Hedley, they were all booked up, but there are some drop-in campgrounds potentially. If those are all full, then there are 2 rec sites which are semi-campgrounds. You can go there, and there are about 10 or 15 rec sites. There's no facilities, maybe water, and that's it. And we're hoping to find somewhere among those 4, somewhere to camp. Otherwise, it'll be wild camping. This looks like a private campsite. Says full. Well, that's not good. We'll have to see. Otherwise we'll find our own patch of wild, which is secretly what I want to do, but don't tell my wife. I don't think she can hear. She's happy she's holding the booze. Okay, here's the first campsite we're going to try. Bromley Rock. I know, sounds interesting, doesn't it? Bromley Rock. Oh, ha 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 ha. Doesn't sound like, or look like there's a vacancy there, but we'll have a look. Looks very packed. Campground full. Okay. There's the answer to the first one. There's the wreck site that way and there's a wreck site that way. Stemwinder. Stemwinder to the right, 400 meters. Campground full.
Here's the curious thing, even though a campground can post their full, there may actually be vacancies. If you go check that board that you see above my mirror on the right, like we did, you'll find that there are most likely vacancies, and we got lucky. Stemwinder's a nice campsite, and it has a river flowing through it where you can cool your beer, which is what my wife is doing right there. But we wanted you to know it isn't noisy. It's right by the highway, and so I've got a little clip at the end here where you can hear just how noisy it is while we're cooking. You might want to find somewhere else, one of those wreck sites. They seem a little further from the highway. Might be a good idea. Yeah, we're going to cook the sausages first, and then get some pasta on there.
Once again, thanks for watching everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.